Hello, my name is Hector Valdez. I'm in section 24 and I'll be discussing the quote, happy employees are productive employees. In other words, does job satisfaction directly affect job performance? To get a better understanding of what job satisfaction is, it is a measurement of happiness while working for a company. Job performance, as discussed in lecture, refers to employee turnover and how often employees come back to work. The definition also extends to job satisfaction, organizational citizenship behavior, organizational identification, and organizational commitment. Seeing that there are plenty of measurements that can alter our performance, the relationship between happy employees and productive employees is much more complicated. To quote Sherry Oster's research article, job satisfaction and job performance have a low correlation at 0.17. It isn't until she discusses her strongest results in her research where she finds that in regards to employee satisfaction, organizations with more satisfied employees tend to be more effective than organizations with less satisfied employees. She found that organizations' happiness and organizations' performance have a correlation between 0.11 and 0.54. This then brings us to the idea of organization over the individual. If employees take action as an organization, meaning that they are helping coworkers and are positively contributing to the CIRC complex model of organizational citizenship behavior, we can see a significant improvement in organizational performance. On page 969, Oster found that the claims that supported the weak link between employee satisfaction and job performance was a result of employees having an individual level connection instead of an organizational one. So why is that, you may ask? So studies have shown that employees with happier work environments tend to identify more with the organization and increase productivity. For example, in lecture, Professor Ingram describes a scenario in which he proposes this question. How does it make me feel when others describe UCR as the negative acronym? He uses this question to gauge to measure our organizational identification. When I heard about the negative acronym associated with UCR, it offended me and wanted me to prove them wrong. In further analysis, we see that my organizational citizenship was a good thing. I feel a part of a community. This is important because it improves the quality and of satisfaction of increases my academic performance at UCR. To answer the initial question, happy employees that have a strong connection to organizational result in more productive employees some percentage of the time. There's always going to be underlying variables that we cannot account for. To conclude, I can agree with Oster's claim that organizations that have a positive CIRC complex model of organization citizenship behavior will have a positive impact on productivity 0.11 to 0.54% of the time.